Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, it's summertime. Yeah, vacation is near. So, we are going to the beach, isn't it? Yeah, the beach is calling us. That means you will need sunglasses, not the sunglasses. I am talking about the diving glasses. Oh yeah, and that it is. Let me introduce you the Qicent diving glasses with anti-fog 180 degrees panoramic view. Snorkel set. Leak-proof mask with dry snorkel. Includes food-grade silicone Purge wolf snorkels in one box. Oh yeah, this is nice for the beach or for the swimming pool as well. You have comfort and safety in one set. The diving mask with the tube is made of high-strength tempered glass for good impact and breakage support. The mouth of the snorkel is made of food-grade silicone and it's flexible. The mask is flexible too. The flexible mask strap with quick adjustment system for maximum comfort. Underwater, there's no exercise pressure on the face. 180 degrees perfect panoramic view for you if you are wearing these glasses. The diving goggles isolate air and water during diving. Leak-proof and waterproof too. It also provides the best underwater visibility for a new whistle experience. Yeah, then you can see some fishes or other whales, dolphins, sharks, and other swimming people. Of course, if you like to see them. It is the best option for your snorkeling experience. It has a dry snorkel. The snorkel kit uses the most robust dry float valve. The flexible and high resistant breathing tube can be bent at 180 degrees to facilitate breathing and release. Convenient tube buckles and professional designed waterproof walls make snorkeling easier. And of course, the snorkel kit is easy to adjust and has a small internal volume, which makes it ideal for diving and snorkeling. Yeah, summertime, maybe now. So let's go out and have some fun with this snorkel set. I'm going to dive in the ocean of it. Yeah, 180 degree visible window. This is a lot really. Ultra open and anti-fog lens, PC material, precision optical lens, good light transmission, ATI glare and UV. That is ultraviolet light. AT crushing, impact resistant, diffused anti-fog, and long-lasting effect. Yeah, nice. But if you have a little bit fog in the glass, you can spit on it a little bit, and then this is a little old school tip, and then you have to shake the mask a little bit, and then you have an anti-fog option too. Only a tip. Maybe you will not need it. So all in all, this is a nice mask. I will use it for a long time, for a long period. I hope so. You have so many things on it. You have a dry top valve. The dry valve prevents water from entering the snorkel. The snorkel dives, if the snorkel will dive underwater, it will close the valve. This is a nice option on the top side of the snorkel. You have a quick release buckle clip. The quick release clip makes the snorkel contact or be disconnected to your mask more easier. And it's easy to adjust up and down for better fitment with your mask. We have a hypoallergenic silicone mouthpiece, FDA approved silicone, super soft and flexible enough to fit any sharpened mouse more allergy problem. Oh yeah, the only way Purge valve. That means the special water collection reservoir on the bottom of the snorkel with its one-way exhaust valve makes expelling excess water quick and easy. And of course, the corrugated silicone tube made from hypoallergenic silicone, editing, comfort and function. Ergonomic controlled sharp make this one great to a great snorkel. Not only it helps make it easier to keep in your mouth, but also helps the mouthpiece to fall out the way when it's not being in use. That means you have here so many different things on one set. I like it. To adjust the mask or to get on the mask after the mask is worn, the front hair must be taken out to avoid leaking the mask, of course. Then adjust the broadband can help adjust the degree of the brightness at any time. The face mirror close to the forehead. Do not use sunscreen. And then adjust the strap to a suitable and comfortable seat. After this, you can take your snorkel and let's go to the beach diving. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.